to show you the buzz and hear it. To listen to the record. To hear the record buzz. Hope that helped out. Man, I deleted all my videos again. Beautiful scenery. And we'll just walk and talk and share the story. So this way you get an idea and I won't make it too boring or long. DJI Mic 2 transmitter standalone and receiver. Yes indeed, the kit that I own. Oh yeah, you may want to hear this and follow up and see what happens. I'm on my third receiver and transmitter. The receiver's got some problems as well. Not one pickup, but two, man. Oh man, they're nice and tall. Sounding good. So yeah, the receiver doesn't finish its charge. The light indicator stays on. What more can I say about that? I woke up this morning and I grabbed my transmitter and it's still flickering 4 flickers quickly. That didn't shut off. But the main problem is the pair start, stop, vibration. I was told that the whole transmitter is supposed to vibrate. I had to look for a DJI chat. I got with the people, contacted them, and going back and forth, and I asked my questions. Oh man, would you like to know? The senior team is gonna help the fish out. Oh, I can't wait to see what they have to say. And we're gonna converse back and forth via email now. Yeah, I can still do chat. But you know how long chat takes. Phone calls can't get things done any quicker. If you're interested in the story, drop a note below. And maybe I'll make up a real video sharing the story, the issue, the problem, and the resolution. And on that note, on fish, and I'll catch you on many other videos to come.